Good evening to all. So today we'll show you how to execute a Java program in this software. For executing the Java program, I am having three softwares: Bruise, NetBeans, and Eclipse. In this video, we'll tell you how to execute Java program in Bruise. Earlier, it was used vastly used in the year 2015-2019. Then NetBeans and Eclipse were came, then everyone is shifted to these two softwares to execute the program. So I have launched the application. Now first you have to create a new project. Then for new creating a new project, go to project option, create a new project. Already that's location has been selected. Need to give the project name, say Java programs. Click OK. Now Java programs folder has been created in that location. Now you have to create a new class. Class can be a name, say first PROZ. Copy this class name because in the script you have to write a class name which should be exactly matched with this class name. So that's why I'm copy pasting it. Copy it. Now open. Now there is an script which is written in the Java file. You have to read this and no need to compile or debug that. By default, there will be a program in that. So now, for giving a comment, I will use double slash for the single line comment to print hello world. Now I will write a code import java.io.star class. Here I have to paste that program, first program, curly bracket, public static void main string arguments throws IOE exception to print hello world. I will use the statement method name system dot out dot print with double quotes hello world, curly bracket off, curly bracket off. Now you have to save Control A, Control S. And if you see here, if I maximize, if you see here, there is a compile option. If you compile it, it will compile the program and it will say class compiled and no syntax error. Now you have to execute. Right click on that file, and if you see here void main string arguments, it will execute this main method. It will say method call, then click OK. Method call pop up, then click OK. If you click this, it will say hello world. And to remove this to clear this output, I can use the shortcut Ctrl K. If you press Ctrl K, it will remove the output. If I close this now, again open. Now I will do some modifications. String s is equals to I am Dheeraj, curly bracket of hello. I will remove the world. I will place a comma plus es variable. Now I have done some changes. That's why I will compile. I have compiled it. Hello to print hello instead of world. Yeah, hello. I am Dheeraj. I compiled. There is no syntax error. I will close. Now I will run this. Now click OK. Hello, I am Dheeraj. What if without clearing the output, if I run again, I will use string method. I will do method call, then press OK. If I press OK, then if you see here, I will close this and to see the output. OK, if you see here, for the first one when I called zeros, second time, and this time I have executed for the third time. That's why there is three. Or if I want to execute in next line, in that case, in the program, print ln you can use. If it is print, then it will execute for the same line with and will not go for next line. If you use ln word, this ln indicates next line. Compile it. I won't clear this output. I will close this file. I will run this method call pop up, then click OK. If I close it again, hello, I am Dheeraj. For the first time when I execute it, it will execute from the next. From there, it will execute this one. So this is the first time after applying print ln. First time. This is the second time. For clear and confuse, I will clear all the output. I will close void main method call pop up. Click OK. Print. Close this output file program. Second time void main method call. Then click OK. Next time it is executed. That's it. Thank you. Do you have any doubts? I can write the program in Java also. You can ask me any doubts. I will explain. Any concept, anything, please do comment. Thank you.